Hello everyone, welcome to Vasul Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the YouTubers, guys. This is the reading for the month of July 2021 and it's a situationship reading. That means it is either related to career or relationship, okay? So 3 cards from career, 3 cards from relationship. Let's go. This is the reading for Aquarius, okay? Let's see. Okay, the Fool in reverse. Okay. Aquarius, things are not going on good. Okay. Kindly avoid the background sound. Okay, I cannot help it out for the same. Okay. Okay, so guys, when it comes to your career life, there is the Fool in reverse. That means that there is a universal blockage. You want to take a risk, you want to start something very new, brand new. You want to risk to start something, a new venture, a new job you want to join, or something related to new beginnings, okay? But you are unable to do so because you are feeling stuck into your career life in the month of June, okay? July, okay? And you want to take a risk, but you will be very stuck in the first 10 days of July, okay? How to take risk, how to go about it, what are the things I need to proceed for, okay? Those are the things. The second 10 days of July, from 11th to 20th of July, you will be in action mode, okay? You will be a person where you cannot wait now. This is the time for taking action, okay? Waiting game is over completely, okay? This is the time for taking actions in life, okay? So yeah. The third 10 days of July, that means 21st of July to 30th of July, the amount of hard work you do, the amount of input, or the let's say financial blessing you should get, you are not getting it, okay? And if you were working hard in the past, I would suggest you to work smartly, okay? This is an advice from my side, Aquarius, because smart work will yield you good results as compared to a lot of hard work, okay? That's the thing. The career seems to be okay. So the career seems to be okay, not that good, not that bad, but yeah, it's related to up and down a bit, okay? In taking a risk, feeling blocked, feeling stuck into a situation, want to move forward, but it's not working out in that way, that's the thing. When it comes to relationship, Aquarius, okay, you want to leave something behind and move forward in life, okay? Like you want to move ahead with a lot of new opportunities, new energies, new connections, and meet different people, but you are feeling stuck into a situation, okay? You are feeling blocked, you are feeling stuck, okay? You are waiting for some sort of an ending and new beginning. Your karmic cycle has not been ended yet in the month of July, but it will be ending very soon in the upcoming months. So karmic cycle is ending, okay, very soon in the upcoming months, not at least in the month of July, but endings and new beginnings are on the horizon. So whatever ending, so whomsoever you are dealing with is a karmic connection to you, okay, which gives you a sense of jail, a sense of that you are stuck into a situation. So you are dealing with karmic connections. And at the same time, make sure that there will be financial blockages appearing if you are dealing with karmic connections or relationships, okay? There also will be financial blockages at the same time, okay? So that's why karmic cycle is not ending, same pattern is not ending. You will be going through a lot of transformation and changes in the upcoming months, and endings and new beginnings are on the horizon for you, okay, in the upcoming months for sure. Not in the month of July, because ending will take place not at least in the month of July, but in the upcoming months, okay? So yes, guys, this is very good. Like ending a karmic relationship is good because they are there for a reason, but only for a particular season. They are not there to help you out in any way or shape or form, but those are just the karmic lessons which you need to learn in this lifetime, because those are your blessings, okay? So yeah, support, your life purpose fully supports you. Wow. Aquarius, sensitivity. You will be very emotional, and at least in the month of July, you are becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. You need to be practical and think from your mind rather than from your heart. There's infinite abundance. You are fully supported as you devote yourself to your divine life purpose. Wow, infinite abundance is waiting for you. Okay, your life purpose involves body work, massage therapist, energy healing, physical therapy, and exercising training. Okay, so yes, you might go into the field of fitness and gymming. Okay, you might go in the field of fitness and gymming. Okay, and massage therapy, energy healing, and physical therapy you might have an interest into, or you might proceed for those career options. You can also proceed with music if you like music, Aquarius. Okay, or you might spend some time with taking care of plants, flowers. Working with flowers opens your heart and brings blessings to others through your life purpose. Okay, so spend time with flowers and all. That is really going to give you good results. Okay, so one important thing, guys, is that I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Take care.